So, wow, amazing day mga partners, and welcome to Wow Life Health and Livelihood Program. And today I'll be discussing yung sa 15 days challenge natin. Okay, ito yung Wow Fast Track Program ng Jumpstart 200. Okay, so first and foremost, yung capital natin dito is only 200 pesos for Jumpstart Pack. And you will get one piece of quantum shield anti-radiation. It will help protect you from the harmful effects of the radiation emitted by our cellular phones. Okay, and then yung kailangan mo lang gawin is to get at least 5 directs within 3 days upon joining, no? So ganun lang yung kasimple yung program, yung kailangan nating gawin. Okay, so ito po siya. Okay, discuss ko po yung details. So first step is to join at 200 pesos Jumpstart. Okay, then the second step is, of course, you get 5 directs, or you refer 5 people to join this program as well. Ang capital nila ganun din, 200 pesos, and they also get 1 quantum shield. So kailangan gawin mo yan within 3 days. So kaya naman siguro kasi 5 lang, and 200 pesos lang yung capital natin. So pag nagawa mo yan in 3 days, next 3 days naman, okay, so you help and teach yung 5 mo na gawin din or sundin yung ginawa mo, na kumuha din sila ng tagli 5 directs each within their first 3 days as well. So ganun mag-work yung power of 5 na duplication natin. So everybody will just get 5 directs each. Okay, pwede din naman na more than that, pero minimum of 5 na yung kay dapat yung 5 na yon, ganun din ang gagawin. So everybody that will be joining the program is simple, 200 pesos capital and get 5 directs each within 3 days. Ganun lang po talaga yung pinaka program natin dito. So gawin lang natin simple para magiging duplicatable, madali lang din sundin. So 200 pesos, 5 directs each, yan, within 3 days. So day 1 to day 3 mo, yan, may 50 pesos ka. Day 4 to day 6, yung 5 kumuha ng 5, 25, you will get 250 pesos. So bawi na yung capital mo na 200 sa second level pa lang. And then dito you will get a free 1 bottle of deer placenta gummies. So imagine, di mo na kailangan bumili, may libre ka na makukuha na 1 bottle ng deer placenta gummies, 15 pieces pag na-achieve mo yung second level. Day 7 to day 9 naman, constant monitoring lang din na everybody is doing their minimum due na 5 directs each within 3 days. So 125 yan. You will have 1,250 pesos na bonus. And of course, for Cebu, you will get, nandito sa Cebu, you will get a day use with lunch and dinner buffet na yan, Maribago Blue Water Resort sa Mactan. Okay? And if you're from CDO, difference lang is you will get yung lunch and dinner mo nasa Zords Resto Bar. Okay? And then pag Iligan team naman, yung lunch and dinner mo sa Avoda Kitchen. Okay? So ganun lang yung difference sa kung saan ka man lugar. Other places, we will set up a place kung yung malapit sa inyo lang din. Okay? Day 10 to day 12, yan, 625 packs total. Okay, you'll get 6,250 pesos. And then if you're from Cebu, you will have included ka na dun sa overnight at J Park Island Resort and Water Park sa Mactan. Overnight na yan. Of course, sharing lang tayo dyan. Okay, we will have one or how many suites that we can accommodate there. So sa J Park yan. So enjoy natin yan with of course a breakfast buffet na yan. Then if you're from Cagayan or CDO Bukidnon area or Iligan, you will have our overnight at Amaya View or Ultra Winds Mountain Resort, no? Sa Cagayan lang din yan. Okay? Now day 13 to day 15, yung 625 kumuha ng tigli 5, that's 3,125 packs. Total earnings mo dyan is 31,250 pesos. And of course, kasama ka na sa Wow Boracay Escapade. This will be 3 days, 2 nights sa Boracay. All expense paid trip po yan. Okay? And yung total na kikitain mo dito sa 15 days challenge natin is a total of 39,000 pesos plus all the incentives. And mind you guys, diba, yung capital mo dito is only 200 pesos. Okay, so ito yung program natin na very simple, no? So as I've said nga, you don't have to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. Okay, so this is only the first phase, no? Antabayanan yan kasi meron pa tayong second phase wherein pag ito nagawa mo, for sure on that second phase, millions na yung kikitain mo. Okay, and I'll see you on that next phase. God bless everyone. See you